is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that rolls on the ground. C is for cat, soft and sweet. G is for dog with happy feet. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for goat with tiny horns. H is for hat that keeps us warm. I is for igloo made of snow. J is for jelly that wiggles slow. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for moon out in the night. N is for nest, a cozy sight. O is for owl that says hoo-hoo. P is for panda, black and white too. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow that shines all around. S is for sun so big and bright. T is for train, choo-choo in sight. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the country lane. W is for whale in the deep blue sea. X is for box with a big red key. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now I know my ABC. Come and sing along with me.